Hello, boys and girls. For this first sort that you will be doing today, it will be a review. We're looking at one-syllable words with vowel and consonant patterns. The first one we are looking at is a vowel, consonant, consonant. The next one would be a vowel, vowel, consonant. The next column would be a vowel, consonant, and then this last one is a vowel, consonant with the silent E on the end of the word. Now remember, these are one-syllable words, and we're looking at a pattern starting with the vowel. Okay, so when I get to my first word, I'm going to find where my vowel is, which is the A, right? And I'm going to look at the pattern. So I have a vowel and then a consonant pattern. So I'm going to put this under the VC. The next word I'm going to look at is wine. I'm going to find my vowel, so I found the I. I'm going to look at the pattern. It is a vowel, a consonant, and then this one has the silent E on the end. So I'm going to put that under the VCE pattern. The next word I'm looking at is chief. Again, it's all one-syllable words, chief. I'm going to find the vowel. Here's the I, and look at the pattern. I have a vowel, another vowel, and then a consonant. So a V, V, C pattern. So that's going to go under this column. The next word I have is smell. Find the vowel, E, vowel, consonant, consonant. Remember, these are all one-syllable words, and you are looking for the E, or for the vowel, to start your pattern. So this one is tricky because if I'm starting with the vowel, I know U is a vowel. However, this U is paired with the Q. This is one sound, right? It's qua. So I'm not going to start at this U. I'm actually going to start at the O. So I have a vowel, consonant, and then the silent E. The next word I have, trust. Find the vowel, so U, vowel, consonant, consonant. Phone. Find the vowel, O, vowel, consonant, and there's my silent E. Remember that silent E makes the vowel in the middle a long sound. So here I have theme. Here's my vowel, consonant, and the silent E. Scale. Vowel, consonant, silent E. Oh man, I'm getting a lot of VCE words here. Let's try to find a different one. Brief. Vowel, vowel, consonant. Plot. Vowel, consonant. When, vowel, consonant. So today you're going to cut out your words and then sort them according to their patterns. There are more words than this, I just did a few of them. Remember that if you have a Q, U, you're not going to start with that U, you'll start with the next vowel.